Traders, we're looking at the pound CAD. I'm just going to go out quickly to a weekly and then we'll do a top-down analysis. This is fairly overextended. It's in a strong bullish trend. So we have a weekly, previous weekly high. We'll just mark these up as a point of interest and then we'll work our way down. So weekly, then we'll go down to the daily time frame. 1D, alright, previous daily high, we'll mark that up, yellow. I'll just grab the high of that candle wick, that'll do. Okay, daily, alright, so we've got a weekly, a daily, previous high. Now, looking at this, we pick up a Fibonacci. I'm going to go from this base here, we've got these two candles, so I'm going to call that a swing low. I'm going to pull my fib from low to high. This is a higher time frame, right? We're looking at the daily chart, so something like this on the daily could be a thing. But if we're looking for a shorter time frame, a day trade or a Friday trade, we could have a look at this on 4-hour time frame and work our way down. I don't mind that actually. So I'm thinking the previous daily high would be a key level, and what we might do is pull the Fibonacci from this low here being this range, right? Let's mark that up. Okay, so this swing low value area to the high, and I'm thinking we see, well, possibly an opportunity to get long, something like that. All right, so if that's a play, say stop loss under the low, go for, okay, that's a 2R. All right, and what I'm looking at here is a measured move. So we've got swing low, swing high, pull back 50, and extended minus 50 on the fib. So we've got A, B, C, D measured move. All right, so that would be a valid target, and there's a 2R outcome. So that's my take on the pound CAD at the moment. That could be a play for today, Friday. I'd love to hear your comments on this, so definitely leave a comment below. And with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.